Hello, this is Heather from Twist My Stitch. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial of the single crochet back loop only ribbing, featuring the knotless slip knot. Be sure to check the description below for pattern links using this stitch. To start, you will tension your working yarn over your index finger and the tail over your thumb. Then pinch the yarn tail with your other fingers. Insert your hook under the yarn, lift, and twist away from you. This creates a simple twist in the yarn. Yarn over. Simply pinch the twist and pull through to create a chain. Continue working a chain until your desired length. I'm going to gauge down to ensure that I can slip stitch into the chain later. Row 1 will be worked into the back ridge of the chain. Just turn the chain over and you will see the ridges. This is the first chain from your hook, the second, and third. To create a single crochet, skip the first chain and insert into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'll show you that again. Insert into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat. Continue working a single crochet into the back ridge to the end of the chain. Working into the knotless slip knot, insert your hook into the back ridge and work a single crochet. The yarn tail should be under your hook. This will leave a small space. Just give that yarn tail a little tug. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. Insert your hook into the first stitch and work a single crochet. The following stitches will be worked in the back loop only. This is the front loop and the back loop. Insert your hook down through the middle of the stitch to catch the back loop only. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Continue working the single crochet back loop only until the last stitch. Work the last single crochet of the row as normal through both loops. Repeat row 2 until you have reached the desired length, ending with an even row count. Now we're ready to seam. If you place your work so that the tail is away from you and the last stitch worked is toward you, it makes it easy to count your rows. This here is row 1, and the ridges that pop out toward you are the even rows. I count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Loosen your working loop and turn. Insert your hook into the first stitch and fold the fabric together with the tail toward you. Insert your hook into the back piece of fabric. Be sure to catch both loops and pull through all loops, creating a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch, working a slip stitch through both pieces of fabric. Continue working a slip stitch through both pieces of fabric until the end of the row. The last stitch of the row will be worked into the knotless slip knot, noting that the tail is over your hook here. Chain 1 and open the fabric so the right sides are facing out and the seam is on the inside. Insert your hook into the edge of the first row, working a single crochet over the tail and into the edge of every row over several stitches. Drop the tail and continue working a single crochet to the end. If the body of your item requires an even number of stitches, skip working into the last row and slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. If the body of your item requires an odd number of stitches, work into the last row and slip stitch to the first single crochet of the round. And that's all there is to the single crochet back loop only ribbing. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell to get notified of future videos. If you have a video request, send me an email and subscribe to my blog at twistmystitch.com. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching, and now go twist my stitch.